Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you have ever experienced a situation whereby you have locked all the pieces of your food processor properly, but when you plug it to power, you turn it on, it doesn't come on, don't panic. This video is for you. We're gonna help you step by step on how to diagnose if it's the motor that is faulty or it's one of the pieces. So firstly, we're gonna remove all the pieces just to check the motor. So what you need to do, what you should appreciate is that there's a switch here that is activated by the bowl, and there's a switch here that is activated by the motor. What do you have to do? You take the motor alone, you remove these accessories, you plug it to power, you turn it on, you put it on one, then you take two pieces, like two keys, concurrently. You put the other one on this to activate this switch, and the other one to activate this switch on top. If there's nothing wrong with the motor will start running. Then you will know that there's nothing wrong with your motor. The motor is working. The problem could either be with one of the other pieces of the food processor. Thank you guys for joining us in this episode. Your support is highly appreciated. If you need assistance with your product, please comment below. Remember, at Ace Electricals, we offer the following services. We sell brand new appliances and electronics. We buy and resell. We do repairs. We educate people on how to use appliances effectively and efficiently. If you want to participate in growing this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.